This is to show you how this thing works on WhatsApp. The first thing first, when you open your Opel, you wait to let it load out. Then when it load out, you first increase that number to 5. Yes. Then when you're done with that, you start your rope. That's when you have your pictures there in your folder already. Then you click on the webcam that shows there and you let it load out. So let's see. When it loads out, you click on the webcam you saw, then you play. Then you click on find face. The face that you found, let it load out. You click on it. It could be a bit crazy, but you wait. You click on it. Yeah, let's see. I actually want to show you how this thing works on WhatsApp and the process of what it takes. Yeah. So you click on the find face. You make sure the face is very clear when you want to find it. Then after the face, you click on the face that you found and the face you want to swap with. So after that, you click on swap face. Yeah, you let it load out. You see it's working with the VRAM. So after it's swapped, you send it to to visual camera. So then after that you can minimize it. Yeah. Then you minimize it. You go to your your OBS studio. You open your OBS studio. You let it load out. So when you get to OBS studio, if you have set it before, it will appear there. So you click on every necessary stuff. You can minimize it also if you want to do it, and if you can leave it, it doesn't matter. So yeah. So then next thing you have to do is open your NDI. Yes, you have your NDI there already, so you can open your NDI. You have the app, and if you have the shortcuts, you can use the shortcuts. But to be on the safer side, you can use the app. Arrange your window very well. Make sure everything is set. So you can see if you don't have the link, you can contact me. I'll help you to set it up. But just know that it's not free. I collect charges for it, but it's affordable. So when you open your NDI, you click on the you click on the webcam. So when you click on the webcam,